Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Garvin County in southern Oklahoma, southwestern Pontotoc County in east central Oklahoma, northern Murray County in southern Oklahoma, until 8:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:42 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles south of Wynnewood, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Davis, Wynnewood, Stratford, Rolfe, Fitzhugh, and Van Nuys. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.